Not be smart, you know, when they come.
Good day.
Sammy, orange man with the haircut. Sit down. Come.
You've come again.
Sit down. Fresh man, tomato. They're very fresh.
You're very funny.
They come here, make I know.
It's okay.
Sammy.
Sammy. Welcome.
What's the happen?
Organic.
What's the happen?
What's be this one now?
Why you they do my work for me?
Chineke me. You know what? Do you have sense at all? As I bring this juice now, make I service store. It bad.
See trouble.
Ladies.
You know, say now me they serve you juice normally. Why she gonna do my work for me? Now she be nanny. Me and I be housemaid.
As I do, I'm now.
Ladies.
Abeg, leave this.
Ladies, please. The juice is for me, right?
Yes.
Let me have it.
No, this is
Jesus!
You see what you call?
What's
What's going on here? What is this?
Oh,
Oga, this girl will not get sense.
You've just embarrassed my friend.
Very foolish girl.
What is this?
Sometimes she dey do like person wey chop dirty winch.
My person chest be this.
Larry.
She dey do like person wey chop dirty winch.
Which one be say person will chop dirty winch? Where that one they come from?
Hey,
if you not be winch, you tell no chop dirty winch.
Will you just shut up? Shut up! You just disgraced someone. What is this rubbish now? Larry, just take a look. Sammy, I am so sorry. Please. Please. Can you see what you have done? I am sorry. I'm sorry, Sammy. Just look at what you have done. Sammy, it's okay, please.
I go wash am. I know say na my fault. Wash it. Na me make them pour juice for your body.
Which kind of talk come be that one?
Can both of you take this thing away from me?
Then you can find me the
Hey.
Give me that thing.
Hey.
Give am o.
Hey! Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you imagine? My shirt! Larry, my shirt! Sammy, oh. This is just an accident. Oh! It's a coincidence, okay? Okay. It didn't just happen.
God will bless you.
She was coming, I was trying to pass and we slipped.
We all collide. God will bless you. I know that this witchcraft Dorcas. That she now they cause this problem. She go carry something, take her down for another thing. You go come make her bring her, go put some done and into something.
You see that something where you they look for this house, something go enter your
head. It's okay, both of you, it's okay. Get out of here, it's okay. Get out.
You don't get sense. Come on, you're big nash for road. Make sense. No, it's okay, let's go. If I don't I move. Follow me somebody. So what thing will happen? You go do it. This is where you the plan things.
Babe, I was actually going to get water from the fridge. Please help me, okay?
Okay, no problem. Hope you're okay.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I'm good.
Okay, I'm coming.
dey think, sef? You don't get sense, oh. You don't get sense at all. So, you just keep that your long mouth to one take and shook inside the mouth. Since I no see you. Now because I no talk and one I did here.
Okay, something with the call of your family problem. Tell me, make I know. Your mother your pull mouth for common accidents.
Which, come on, waiting. Ah, there, come on, dear. Me and you know say no be accident. No be you, why no? Something where you plan where? Eh? See you who they talk. Something where you plan. See, I see as you they look oga. The look where I see for your eyes now, the look of person where they look fried chicken, delicious one where you want chop.
Docas, you got so tell me, your mother you the read me inside where me no day. You be wicked person, you don't put much, you nearly make madam sack me just now. I no go take a likely with you. You be my number one enemy. That's what they see.
Now lie. Now you be your number one enemy. And that foolish thing where they inside your head, where they command you to go cause accident, so that from that accident you go meander, enter inside Oga. Now be your enemy, but you never know. Since I don't know you, something where you done the plan since. What you make you smile? I don't catch you, Abi. I know you very well, nah. True.
So you said you know me, now you want spoil work for me. You said you bad. Oga body you're soft. As I use my breast hit the chest. Everywhere me down.
You don't craze, so. You don't craze. Waiting remain now for you to enter market naked. Anyway, carry your job they play. You dey hear me so? Carry your job they play. They look for ways to cause accidental romance until madam catch you. You know, say that woman, she know they carry her husband joke. That woman go tear you so. In fact, she no go forgive you. You know.
I swear, Docas madam they enjoy. Oga body you make me or two. Yes.
Oga body they do me a tear.
Yeah, me too.
Ma go report you to madam.
Hey, no, Docas don't worry you. You said they get temperamental issue. What they do you say?
Why not get temperamental issue? Respect yourself. I don't tell you.
Oh, this thing what you do, Docas, I don't like it. You know, say I just use my body touch your guys. See they talk
for you. Bless me.
Docas, see you said you want me. My body you want me.
Are you okay? Why are you frowning?
Baby, I have this unsettling feeling about what happened between you and the maid.
You think I deliberately kissed her in the public, where people will see me? I mean, that will make me a bad cheater.
No, baby. No. I know it was a mistake on your end, but her, she's not innocent.
We collided and fell together. So I don't know why you should put it on her like that.
Baby, there is something I saw inside Arero's eyes. There is something inside there. So manipulating, calculating and scheming. I know I cannot prove anything now, but my sixth sense cannot be wrong about this.
She said it was an accident, and you wonder about risking getting fired for creating intimate incidents. I think she's smart enough to be guided.
Baby, I don't think having adults as maid is a good one. I just hope I'm not missing out on something. Just hope so.
Babe, come to the bed. Come on, let me cuddle you. You worry too much. You worry too much. Huh? Stop stoning yourself. Fine.
Hi. See as you fine well this morning, eh? But wait, oh, I just dey look you. Who you resemble, sef? Because you no look like your mama, you no look like your papa.
An angel. Angels are pretty, and I must look like one.
In fact, you are correct. You must look like angel because you no look like them at all.
You don't look like who? Dorcas, can't you see that my daughter looks like the father?
Oh, madam, you know, not be quarrel now, eh? Just that I don't see the resemblance at all. Oh. But no worry. I go look well, and I go tell you who she resembles.
I don't know what is wrong with the employees of this house. One is busy trying to find out who my daughter looks like, and the other is busy creating intimate indulgence with my husband. Eh? I don't know whether the work in this house is too flexible. I will like sack one and make the other do the job of the boat.
Madam, no vex. See, as you dey even talk, now I can't look well. I can see say your nose will look like in Papa own, even the eyes.
My dear, don't mind Dorcas. She's just joking, okay? Yes, please don't take it too serious. Okay? It's okay. So, shall we?
Okay.
Okay.
See you. Dorcas. Dorcas. I want to see you in private. Oh, yeah. Follow me. What should I do to ensure that your tongue is silenced? Should I cut it off?
Madam, don't vex now. Na joke they joke. Na joke.
You are joking. Are you trying to put a seed of distrust and discord between me and my husband?
Madam, but you no do anything wrong now. Clear conscience, no dey fear accusation.
Oh, so it's an accusation. Wow. You think someone else fathered my child?
God forbid. Me. How I won't think that kind of thing? I beg, madam, I no talk like that, oh. Me? I dey loyal to your government, oh. I no fit talk that one, God forbid.
Dorcas, next time you run this your careless mouth will be the last time you walk in this house. Do you understand me? And don't forget how good I've been to you. Because of this your tongue, Dorcas, I will end my generosity to you and your family. Do you understand me, Dorcas? Dorcas. Better. You can go.
Where is this girl now?
Let her bring your own food. Will you come back here? Get back. What are you doing? Why are you shaking?
Eh?
Why are you shaking your bum bum?
They shake my bum bum. Man, I don't shake my bum bum. I don't walk out like this.
Why all this indecent dressing? Eh? You didn't even tie wrap on top of it or something.
Madam, I'm not dressing decent too. Heat they do me for this house. You know, say for now alone, I put AC for our room. When I not put AC for our room. Heat they do me. As I go market, go buy things. Now I can't say, hey, see this. I see this light tonight wear. Now I buy it. Make breeze they enter my body.
Before I open my eyes and close it, you have gone inside and changed this thing. Eh? You people start wearing uniform in this house.
Uniform? But I'm not trying.
You don't want to wear uniform?
No, sorry.
Will you get out of here?
Tell me, what we go do this thing with madam don't talk now? Say we go to wear uniform from now on.
See as you dey talk, I'm like say you no say na you cause am. See as you just dey talk, am you dey free for your mouth. Eh? I no even understand you. Anytime wey dem take decision for this house, anytime wey dem take decision or dem come punish us, na you dey always cause am. Why?
I don't understand. What did they try talk?
See as you talk, am e dey easy for your mouth. No, see as you talk, am e dey easy for your mouth. If you no carry the free cloth wey we dey wear for this house, carry and go fall on top of madam husband, he go do this thing. He go tell us to begin wear uniform like primary school children. Eh? I don't understand you. Anytime when they take decision for this house, anytime when they punish us for this house, now you, they always cause and why?
Dorcas, why you be like this? Why you do very wicked? You do always add more fire inside fire we don't they burn already. If now so God they judge all of us, how many people for remain? Every day they bring my past, they come back. And they judge you with your past. All the things you don't tell me about you, and they judge you.
I beg you, make I hear word.
Only for what for God, but you just want to crucify me.
See, make I tell you. If you know what's good for you, if you know what's good for you, you better wear that uniform. If not that uniform, now you go save your job. You better wear them. Yes, if you come out here, I don't know the kind of job where you fit do as they look you so.
You they try to tell me say you no go wear the uniform.
Waiting come concern nanny with uniform. Waiting concern.
But madam say na our two go wear uniform.
No, not be waiting talk because you no get sense. See say na you they look as they talk am. Yes, waiting concern person where they take care of pikin with uniform. Now person where they cook, person where they wash clothes and clean house. Suppose wear uniform. See, if for any reason they eventually force me to wear that uniform, and I wear them, just know say I no go forgive you. See the kind of nonsense where you cause. Anyway, see, make I tell you, come out your eye from Oga. From Oga. Come out your eye from Oga.
Drop me for ground. I don't know till you
I don't tell you before.
What if you know?
I don't tell you
I
again.
go wear the uniform. Nothing concern me. I'm never ready to lose my job. I go wear the uniform. If you like, continue.
You better say you wear them. If not, you go find yourself for hold up. You go there traffic. They say pure water. And no fear. Big man house no just fit you at all. You suppose go find one onyeburu or all these iron condemned people. Go their house, go they serve them.
Dorcas, and they hear what they talk.
You suppose hear.
I go swag on.
You got one more. You got one more. Chineke Pogoko. Fool. I don't even know why they put me and you for the same house. You just be bad luck. If not be say, I don't love this pikin why they take care of where I go just come out this house, find another house, leave this one for you. Take you there here, they do competition with madam.
Do you notice that Benita and Dorcas have this similar look? You know, when they want to focus on something, both of them kind of look alike. Do you notice that?
I do. And I don't like it. I have to do something about it. Dorcas is teaching this girl, this our baby, unrefined way of doing things. I have to fire her.
Come on, fire her for what? Why? Because our daughter looks like her? Oh, come on. Come on, that would be you overreacting. Dorcas, this Dorcas you're saying, Dorcas is a good nanny. So it would be so funny you firing her for such a flimsy excuse.
Flimsy, you say?
It wouldn't be nice.
No. Honey, I have to do something about it. Can't you see Dorcas is bonding more with our child than we are supposed to? And very soon our child will start seeing her as a role model. Don't you think so?
That will not happen not when she has a mother to look up to and follow her footsteps. It will not happen.
Are you sure about it?
Yes.
Not be smart thing or they come.
Good day.
Sammy, orange man with the haircut. Sit down. Come.
You've come again.
Let's sit down. Fresh man, tomato. They're very fresh.
You're very funny.
They come here, make I know.
It's okay.
Sammy.
Sammy. Welcome.
What's the happen?
Organic.
What's the happen?
What's be this one now?
Why you they do my work for me?
Chineke me. You know what? Do you have sense at all? As I bring this juice now, make I serve this store. It bad.
See trouble.
Ladies.
You know, say now me they serve you juice normally. Why she gonna do my work for me? Now she be nanny. So, me I be housemaid.
As I do am now.
Ladies.
Abeg, leave this.
Ladies, please. The juice is for me, right?
Yes.
Let me have it.
No, this is
Jesus!
You see what you call?
Dorcas!
What's going on here? What is this?
Oh, Oga!
Oga, na this girl will not get sense.
You've just embarrassed my friend.
Very foolish girl.
What is this?
Sometimes she dey do like person wey chop dirty winch.
Na person chest be this.
Larry.
She dey do like person wey chop dirty winch.
Which one be say person wey chop dirty winch? Where that one dey come from?
Hey,
if you not be winch, you tell me who chop dirty winch.
Will you just shut up? Shut up! You just disgraced someone. What is this rubbish now? Eh? Larry, just take a look. Sammy, I am so sorry. Please. Please. Can you see what you have done? I am sorry. I'm sorry, Sammy. Just look at what you have done. Sammy, it's okay, please.
I go wash am. I know say na my fault. Wash it. Na me make them pour juice for your body.
Which kind of talk come be that one?
Can both of you take this thing away from here?
Then you can find me the
Hey.
Give me that thing.
Hey.
Give am o.
Hey!
Jesus!
Can you imagine?
Oga!
Can you imagine? Can you imagine?
My shirt! Larry, my shirt!
Sammy, oh God.
Hey. Listen to you. Did you shoot go? Sorry. We are very sorry.
Enough is enough.
Yes.
I don't understand why both of you are fighting each other. Eh?
No be say we dey fight o. We just dey try make we impress you or make you that praise us.
Yeah.
We no know say we dey overdo.
Me too. We be say we dey try make una for praise us. We no know say the thing go turn to something else. Blood of Jesus!
What's that?
The gun wey dey shoot, I don't know.
Stop.
I need to apologize to Sammy. I mean, he really went through it all today. And what is this unhealthy rival between both of you?
Rival. Yeah.
Hey, stop na. Oga, nothing like
Shoot for
rival.
back, the rival for front.
We no be rival at all.
Yes, we know the rival.
You know that thing wey be say you go dey stop na. That thing wey be say you go dey walk, you go dey like say we dey try to see who go walk pass.
Yes.
Make una say
Something
we
like
dey
that.
try. Finish.
Now be say we know the rival. Rival no know us. We know the relationship with rival. I know rival.
No.
Honey, I don't understand why we are listening to them. We should be firing them.
Hey!
Excuse me.
Blood of Jesus.
Hey,
Don't
man.
say it. Clean it off.
We
Speak it.
No,
Fire.
it no go happen again.
Sir, it no go happen. If it happen again, make the ego of our community die. Yes.
Yeah? Hey, Sammy.
Afana.
What's up? Please sit.
Sure.
Sammy, you see, I just want to apologize for what happened yesterday, okay? Amongst you and those my housemates. Please, I apologize. You know, those girls, they sabi the work, oh. Do you understand? But, you know, sometimes they overdo. But please, I apologize. Forgive. Please.
So, I had to suffer because of their overzealousness. That's what you're saying?
That is not just the right way to put it, but I'm sorry.
I get it. They are doing their job. But, I mean, they should be more professional. Not what they actually did. They should know who is your person. You know, they should just do better, please.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll handle it. Please.
Well, I actually came to discuss with you about the Mira's account. Are you aware that they are trying to pull out of our company? Yes, they're trying to pull out.
I thought they were pleased with our services.
I don't even know. But here is the danger. You know, Mira's account, they're one of our biggest clients.
Okay.
And you won't believe who they are pulling out to. Our biggest rivals. The JKs. And this cannot just happen. We cannot afford to lose the Mira's account. We just have to do something.
Yeah, you're right.
And I will try to secure them back, like to convince them. I don't know what the JKs are offering them that we are not. But I will still try to do more.
Please do. Very important.
You just dey smile since. Eh? Oh yeah, tell me. What did they make you smile?
I remember what my friends say that other day you came to school to take me home.
What did they talk?
They said that I look like you, that we have the same face.
God forbid! God forbid, you look like who? Eh? My baby. Eh? You don't look like her, can't you see? You are prettier than Dorcas.
Am I?
Yes, my baby, you are.
But my friend said...
Oh, forget what your friend said, eh? You are the most beautiful girl in the whole wide world, eh?
Not true. You fine well. I not fine now. So how you can't look like me? Anytime where those your friends talk that thing, tell them say then they lie. You yeah?
Baby, get up, please. Can you go to your room? Go to your room. Oh yeah. You, Dorcas. Oh yeah. Follow me. What are you still doing? Follow me now.
I hope all day well. All is well.
All is well. But I'm not comfortable with your closeness with my daughter Benita.
Closeness, yes. I know, madam, you no expect say I go dey close to pikin wey I dey take care of. Pikin wey I dey feed, pikin wey I dey bath. You suppose expect say me and am go, I go dey close to am.
I expected you to be close to her. But what you are passing on her, the stress you pass on, I'm not comfortable with it at all.
I beg, madam, wetin dey wrong with am?
You are bonding more with my daughter than I, the mother. And I'm not comfortable with it.
Oh. Now I get am. See, madam, you see that thing where you dey think? No worry. It no go happen. I just dey here dey do my nanny job with my whole heart. I go take care of the pikin now, and I suppose take care of am very well. Na him I dey do, nothing else. I promise you that.
Oh my God.
Welcome, sir.
It's okay. Okay. You can go now, eh? You can go now. I said you can go.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now you want to start dusting the bed.
Do you want me to help you remove the clothes?
What? Hey, you're good.
Okay.
Oh my God.
I feel like firing our domestic workers. Yes. Both Arero and Dorcas.
Why? What have they done again?
I just have this weird feeling that they want to take something from me, something that matters the most from me.
Babe, where is this coming from? This is not like you. Is it like you're feeling insecure?
Honey, you call it insecurity. I call it system. I want those girls. I feel like they want something more than what we are giving them. Like, I want them gone. Let them go. I want them gone before they mess things up for us in this house. Let them go, please.
Babe, wait. Let me ask you something. You want to sack the domestic staff that have been working here for years? It sounds funny. Okay, what are you even going to tell them if you go to meet them now? Okay, ladies, I think you ladies are bad, or what? What are you going to tell them?
Honey, I feel like this is the right thing to do, and I cannot go back on this. I want them gone. All I need now, babe, is your full support. Please, can you support me on this?
Babe, okay, see, the domestic business, it's your business. Okay? Yeah. So you have my support on this. Whatever you want. I'm good with it. Just do your thing.
Thank you so much. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Come here.
Oh.
This one you keep mouth like Kaku wey never see food. He be like say, you don't see Oga as he dey kiss madam, you got the vex. Your face don't change.
Which kind of talk come be that one?
Which kind of talk no be am?
I beg, make you talk with they make sense. So where this one they come from? Even if I be witch, even if I belong to the coven of principalities and power, why go the vex say husband they kiss his wife?
You pass principalities and power now. Hey! If then get king and queen for that principalities and power kingdom, now you. In fact, if you get rank way big past principalities and powers, now there you dey. Oh, you don't know? You don't know?
You go sometime more than you carry me go the coven of principalities and power. Not be your matter they do me now. They want sack us. Madam, they type our sack letter.
So you dey talk am now, make I begin shake now. No, you dey talk am now, make my heart begin beat fast, no be so. If you no go, they do accidental gun body with your husband. We go there like this. This thing go happen. No, if you no go fall on top of your husband, they keep your long mouth like a dog. This thing for happen.
Oh, now what did they talk?
Yes, nah.
They talk. Not because of me, they want sack us. Now because of you, your bad character. Madam, now you they cause what madam want to sack us. See you, they say you can't do nanny. You leave nanny work where they say you. Can't go they do, say now you love madam picking person. Nah, that thing then they make madam so one sack. So if you don't know me, they prepare your letter of apology where you want to go give them.
Yeah, then come out there, you be beast. So you dey expect say I go to take care of pikin and no go love him? No, I dey ask you now. You dey expect I beg leave that thing. See, your problem is say you dey like to shift blame. My dear, now because of you. Yes, you see say madam no dey see as you dey look your husband. You think say madam no dey see all the things where you dey do?
Dorcas na lie, na big lie. Dorcas, man, I tell you, na crush on the crush on Oga. That one no even mean anything. But you see when you don't kolo, go meet woman. The child let her know say no love if he reach you. At that place you go don't give her secure problem. Better. Now you they want to wait for this house. I they tell you. Then they talk.
Which kind of English with that? Because I never hear them.
Security.
Ha! Now you they call security. Go school. You say school na scam. Since the nonsense where you they speak.
Now because I dey fast, I need to explain the thing.
I beg leave that
me too say.
You no know him. Just admit say you no know him. Anyway, see, my problem with you too be saying you they like to shift to blame, give another person. You the eye person husband. They want sack you. You can't they talk saying that because of pikin. My job they secure. Nobody fit sack me. Me when they take care of pikin.
Nobody fit sack you.
They no fit try am.
What you do for this house?
I take care of pikin now.
Which pikin? Only nanny work where they give you that you take care of. What me they do for this house? Now me they cook. Now me they clean. Now me they go market. Even the pikin where you they talk about. Now me they give am food. Now me they wash clothes. Tell me what you they do. Tell me.
See, make I tell you, that's your cleaning job. Anybody fit do am. Madam feel vex, come out outside, carry Aboki come, Aboki go clean the whole house. Aboki go, yes! But he gets the level of trust when you go get before you go leave person to take care of your pikin. And as it stands now, I don't dare that level. So nobody feel sack me. If you know what they go for you, go look as you go beg go because that letter na you there.
My sister in the Lord.
Who be your come out here? Who be your sister?
I dey tell you now. Better go dey prepare apology letter. Now you Madam wan sack. Now you be the cause of her problem. She dey vex for you.
Now you be the cause of her problem. You dey eye your husband. And Madam don't look am see say if he leave you, say your eye no good, say you fit collect your husband. Now he make Madam just dey rush the letter, make the write and finish.
I want to collect your husband.
Eh?
When I did this, as no Madam give me
Because
this maternity gown one day. Naturally I get big nyash. I know they wear clothes like you. You dey wear normal clothes. You know me, they wear maternity. They waka. My nyash no dey shake.
You no get sense. You never think and say for this house now you dey wear big cloth pass because Madam they try to hide their nyash by fire by force, making husband no look am. So my dear, you see that sack letter. It is for you. So go find what you go do because your job in this house is shaking.
Madam! Madam! Madam!
Larry, take it easy. Larry, look. Just...
Doc, how is she? How is my wife? Please talk to me. Did she survive the accident? Tell me she survived.
Larry,
Doctor, please talk to me.
Eh? Come with me to my office.
Doctor, tell me whatever you want to tell me here. Your office and here, they're the same thing now. Talk to me. How is she doing?
Calm down. Calm down.
Okay, I'm coming down. So tell me my wife survived the accident.
We tried everything we could possibly do to save her. Larry, we lost your wife. We lost her. Nina is gone.
What are you saying?
Nina is gone.
What are you talking about?
Please calm down.
Doctor, what are you talking about? Doctor, do everything you can. Do all you can, please. Larry, Doctor, please, just Larry, please.
Larry.
God! That's what Madam you to tell that Madam want your second to me. You're dead.
You take your own. Na me kill am. I beg go. You think say he dey pay you rich as he dey pay me? Me wey dey here dey die inside sense. Eh? You just dey me like say make I just wake up. Come realize say na sleep I dey sleep since and na bad dream na him I get. Because I don't understand this thing. See, make I tell you something. I learned something from this thing, no. Nothing dey this life. Nothing there. All this gra way person they do nothing there. 1 minute, madam dey alive. Now how They shout saying go sack us, go sack us. Next minute, he don't fall for battle, die.
God.
Hey!
God. Oh God, tears don't full my eye. I don't cry. I don't cry. Say to my eye, they pain me. God, why? How? Dorcas. Dorcas. Shebi, you tell me say una from lineage of native doctor. You sure say no be una carry arrow throw give this woman wey kill am so?
No. But I dey suspect you wey you be descendant of witches. Sure say una no carry madam enter una cove chop am.
Dorcas!
Yes now. Yes now. Maybe una don carry am enter that una that coven. Scatter am.
Dorcas, why you go talk that kind of thing?
Why I no go talk am? Na the kind things wey witches dey do be that now.
No be you tell me say una come from lineage of ancestral lineage because I tell you say my great grandmother mama na witch but he come later give his life to Christ. Now you come carry am for head now dey talk dey use against me.
But the DNA dey for inside your body.
Una wey una lineage no be you tell me say una lineage say na native doctor una dey do.
I no tell you like that o. I tell you say we be herbalist. Herbalist and native doctor no be the same thing. In fact, witches na dem dey connected to native doctor, no be herbalist. Our own na to give herbs. Anybody wey dey sick, we give am herb, e go well. Una own coven na una dey affiliated inside native doctor business. So no call my name o.
Hi. Dorcas, if I dey see you, you dey vex me. I swear sometimes dey be like say make I put my hand like this, swag you see, make I just conk your head for
Try am now. Try am. You before you do am, you go just first of all go point where you go like make them bury you before you try am.
Abeg, I no try am because you strong pass me, you go beat me. The thing be say I no know whether make I dey happy. Say madam die because he don clear road for me now. Say I go fit come finally marry Oga. Make I dey cry say madam die. I no know whether man happy. I be man dey thank God. Which one I go
Jesus. You be yeye person o. Makachi, you be yeye person.
wetin I do?
See the kind thing wey you dey think. You no even think of the pikin wey the woman leave and the husband wey dey mourn in wife. You just dey here dey plan how you wan take collect the man. The way wey I dey look you, your hand dey for inside that thing.
Jesus.
In fact, make I no even beat around the bush. My mind dey tell me say na you kill am. Yes!
Dorcas!
You, after all. Na only you and am there. Yes! No be wetin you tell us. Na only you and am there that day for room. You come out come tell us say he fall. Who know whether na you push am so that him go die make you collect him husband?
Why you can Dorcas in the morning when madam dey up as madam come here and arrange bed finish, I arrange bed finish, madam say ma comot, I say comot. The next day I never too go far, madam just shout. I say why madam go shout? Now roll enter house. As I reach the room, I don't see madam. I come open bedroom, I don't see madam.
Make I tell you, na person wey thief na him dey cry pass. You know when you dey cry now, na this way wey men dey sumbo dey cry. Later we find out say him be our number 2 man.
I gonna talk say I kill madam. I gonna talk say I kill madam. This way they talk now no good. I be you na who go fit kill person.
You? Hey! You be me like who go keep person. You be me like who go keep person, bury am, close mouth so nobody go know. You be me like person wey go kill person just because he see 5 naira for inside the person purse. You still be me like person wey go kill person, collect him destiny.
Look at me. I be all this thing and I no know.
You go thank me now because now I don't tell you. You don't know. Person don't tell you say you know they fine when you dey cry. You know sabi cry. Mba we need to know. How you take know about serial killer? I never hear that English before. Hey!
It feels like she never left. I hear her voice, her smiles, her laughter, her conflict. She She left so soon. I don't think I can go on living. She left without making preparation or saying goodbye.
How does one prepare for untimely death? How does one prepare for accidents? You don't see it coming. How can you prepare for what you can't see?
I know. I just can't believe she's gone. We had so much plans together. We have a lot of things to do together. If I knew the time is short, I would have made out time to give her a better life.
Larry, Nina knows you love her. She was proud of you as a husband. You made her proud to be the father of your daughter Benita. Look, you need to stop blaming yourself. You need to stop stressing. Find your peace. Your daughter, Benita, she needs you now. She needs your love and your strength.
I've lost the willpower to go on living. Whenever I see Benita, I feel like I've failed her for not protecting the mother. It would have been me.
Larry.
Every child needs a mother.
Larry, you don't have to say that. No one deserves to die. There is nothing you could have done. Like I mentioned, your daughter Benita. She needs your love and your strength. You have to be there for her. Even more than ever.
Sleep. Close your eyes and sleep. Remember what I tell you. If you wake up for middle of the night and you dey fear, you pray. That prayer where I teach you. Prayer. It's okay. Sleep.
Auntie, please don't go. Stay with me.
Of course I will stay with you if you want, nah. I make you the talk and like say I no go agree.
My daddy said that my mom went to heaven, that she's now an angel, that she watches over me from heaven.
Not true. Not true. Your mama na angel now. She dey for heaven. And as we dey talk, she dey look from heaven, they look you, they smile. But anytime when you no happy or when you sad, she too, she go dey sad where she dey. So if you want make your mama dey happy anytime when she look down, just dey happy, okay?
But why did she leave me and go far away? I feel lonely.
How you go feel lonely when I dey here? Come. Listen, I go dey here. I know they go anywhere. I dey for you.
Promise me that you will not go.
Go where? Where you dey here? Now where you dey, me I go dey. I promise you, see. Close your eyes, sleep. I no go come out on you until you sleep. Hey. God. It's okay. Now what's it now? I beg, why is the drum in there?
Dorcas.
Now what's it?
Dorcas. So that's how you be? Dorcas, that's how you be? Madam, they right, oh. Madam, fair talk and say you won't collect the key for your hand. I see and I hear everything what you do for inside that room. I see una. So that's how you be. You just want Colombi, Madam Pikin. Body, put them for your body, make it be like saying your own. Now your strategy be this.
See the nonsense where you dey talk. Benita na toy, where person fit Colombi just like that.
Benita na toy, where person fit Colombi. Tell me say no be your strategy be this. Because I don't see say you dey try use Benita to enter Oga heart. Abi, yes or no?
Come on. You know they pity that girl? You know the way where that girl take the cry every day since when your mama died. Now because say you don't know, now make you just open your mouth to wow, they talk nonsense.
Hey! Dorcas! Dorcas, thank God say you kukuma don't know, say I don't try all my strategy. You know say since na me they suffer for Oga. But you just come from nowhere, come they pretend. Say you like a pikin pass everybody. So that Oga, you go use through pikin enter Oga heart. You na backstabber. You.
Hey, so for your mind now, you think say I dey love the girl because of Oga?
Before uncle.
No wonder your brain dry. Juice no dey inside at all.
Well, if you like, make you talk anything. What I don't know be say, this new strategy where you bring, you kukuma know say all my strategy don't lost. So as you don't bring this one, two of us now go there together, we will love the pikin. Anywhere the pikin go, they come. But
who be this one?
Anyhow, this love of this pikin, now two of us go love am. My sister, now this strategy, now me and you go join am. So nobody yourself. What do you say the pikin they like? They like a jingle bell or what do they like? No one they tell you that me for 10 minutes follow me.
Just passing by. Remember me, I carried you where the storm was coming. I held it close, and there was shelter. Now it's so big, I can hardly get to you.
So this man go walk again today with empty stomach, you no chop anything. He say, come on there, long truth.
You don't clear to me say this man dey on the move to join a wife in the other side.
Hi.
I wait I just dey notice now.
And if this man continue like this, the kind way where us I go take hammer him, he no go like him. Hi. What we go do?
What do you mean by wetin we go do? You and who? I don't understand. Wetin we got to see about everything got to. Not be maybe the chief chef for this house, chief maintenance of this house. Now me they maintain everywhere for this house. Now my side, my quarters they leak. So what you go to ask me now? What I go do? No be what we go do. You nani you they do. What they call you for? So talk better. Ask me what I go do. You know what need to ask me. I already know what I go do. What I go do in my head. It's in my head.
What you go do there your head? That's good. Because me too, I get plans. What I go do? It in my head too.
What be your plans?
You say waiting. Waiting be your gene. Oh, you carry your own plans for head, but you want to make I give you my own. As your own plan dey your head, my own plan dey my head too.
Yes. Tell me your own plan. Make I know whether I resemble my own.
No, you go tell me your own plan. As the wisest of two of us, I go check am. If you go work, I go tell you. If not, I go now tell you my own.
You shall be wisest of. You waiting, you wise. Who tell you say you know anything for this house?
I wise pass you.
How you tell wise pass?
Everybody knows say I wise.
But if they work for this house, you tell they talk say you wise. Who give you level for here?
Now make them give me a whole human being make I they take care of. And because say you don't know anything, you know wise. Now they give you ground, give you wall, make you they sweep.
See this one, oh!
I beg.
See who they talk. You, me, now me get all the human being from my hand. Now me they cook on food. I feel put poison, all of them go down overnight.
You know if you try am, you don't forget the lineage where I come from. You know,
native daughter.
You know if you try am, you self you know. Now it make you never kill me.
Wait, to that means you get what you use for food. You dey eat something before I give you food.
Oh, okay, now you know.
You dey practice the native daughter.
You for ask yourself why all the nonsense where you they try to use kill me never work.
I never try to kill you, but I want to ask you first. People say they take you. They take some.
Why say you never try?
Larry, what is it? I have been talking to you about this while. Say something. Don't tell me you actually returned back to work. For real?
Yes, I'm back. I cannot be away forever. If I'm not joining her on the other side, at least I should find a way of surviving. And returning to work is another way of survival.
Larry, you're not making sense. You just lost your wife about a month ago. Everything is too fast for you to return to work. Do you not understand that at least you should stay at home and show her some respect? Even in her absence?
You're talking as if I'm abandoning her memories. I'm not. I'm suffocating. Yes. Being at home alone, thinking of her is making me seeing her everywhere. Everything around is just her that I'm seeing. Do you understand? So I need this job just to distract myself. I need to gain my sanity back.
I understand now. Good. I apologize for being insensitive. Welcome back, brother.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Alright. If you need anything, call on me for assistance.
Thank you so much. Welcome. Thank you.
I'm in my office. Just call me if you need any assistance.
It's okay. Just go with the food. I do not have appetite.
Hi. I know say when I come here, say you go prove stubborn, say you no go reach up this food. But Oga, na afternoon na. You no chop since morning. Now make I carry and come this afternoon, make you for chop something, make something there your belly now. Eh?
Because it's not your job. Benita should be your major focus.
And na because of Benita na they do this thing. That girl don't see something. She don't suffer a lot now. She don't lose one parent. She still dey grieve for that one. Then you will be the only parent where she gets. You won't take hunger by yourself. Okay, if you die now, you go come leave that poor girl alone for this world. Girl, where will her brain come? You check am now, you know good. Eh?
Wow. Wow. You really have a lot on your mind. How is Benita doing?
Oga, this question where you ask me now, I go like make you ask am that question yourself when two of you dey together. I won't make you chop, make you get strength, make you die alive for that girl. That girl, she really needs you. Eh? Just chop.
Unfortunately, for some time now, I do not just have the appetite to eat anything. I'll be fine. Just go with the food.
Okay, now you go help yourself. See, make I tell you, if not for anything, do am for your pikin. Eh? You go help yourself as you dey chop the food. You go dey say, I dey chop am for my pikin. I go dey chop am for my pikin. Before you know wetin dey happen, you don download the food finish. Oh, you need am. Take. And the food is sweet well well. You go like am. You go like am. Once you start am now, see, you know the perceive am. Chai, too fine, too sweet. Oh yeah, chop. Oh, eat. Make I dey here and watch you.
I just want you here with me. I just want you here with me.
How is she?
She dey fine.
Okay.
She don't sleep. I just dey wait make she sleep deep before I go come out. But na strong girl na she be. She go dey alright.
Thank you for filling the gap.
Oga, gap. Nobody fit fill that gap. Oh. You see that gap where her mama live? Person no fit fill am. Her mama too love am. The love wey show am too much, so
Yeah.
it go hard though.
I mean, you being very close to her all the time makes her strong, okay? Yeah, so I thank you so much. And also, thank you for bringing food for me earlier today. I mean, you made sure, and I mean, you actually made sure I ate the food. That means a lot to me.
Okay, na my job I did too. Eh? Now wetin I supposed to do be that?
I know it's your job, but, you know, you did the work of a delivery man, even where you're not. You did more than I paid for.
You're welcome, Oga.
Appreciate, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Oh, Chimo, you don't leave me now. As I know you don't just want to talk to you. You don't leave me.
Wait,
Now what's with that one?
Excuse me, what did they say be your name again? They will call you Desperado. I bet they call you as green snake under the green grass.
What's in the worry yourself? Okay, so what's in your problem? What thing I do now?
Show me the food when I cook. Now you gotta go to play lovey with Oga. After you gonna be and say you don't like Oga, you don't who send Oga, but behind you they go to seduce Oga.
You did very selfish. Now selfishness na go kill you. Okay, so if hunger buy that man now, who you go come dey crush on? Eh? As I carry food go give the man, make hunger no kill him. You no like him?
Doka, see! Not be your work to feed Oga. Your work that to take care of pikin na my work to feed Oga.
See am, isi come. So that your dog brain now no tell you say I maybe na because of the child na him make I do am. You know say if hunger kill that man, that child don't lose the only parent wey him get. You don't know that? But you be eating and how you want take no?
Hey! You na like so you be. Doka na like this you be. You be desperado. You see you this your bad character. You don't dey farm now say you dey look at for pikin and lie. You dey find way you want to become madam. This I no know. See ma tell you, may I the house bear me witness. So I no go serve two madam for the same house. I no go try am. I don serve the former madam. You see you Nani, I no go serve you as madam.
You see this fight where you dey fight. You just dey fight with yourself, oh. Yes, because me, I know there for the equation, I know there for the combat. So when you fight yourself, finish, you carry this yourself, go kitchen, go find what you go do. Now idleness, mind the worry you.
Oh, now me, back then you think you get strategy. I get strategy person. I don't just say. I get strategy. Come on here. Me get strategy pass you, sister. If you don't want to listen to me, I will still talk to you. We go see who get strategy pass. Bet me, I will tell you that I have strategy more than you. I will strategize. I will see it. I do. Come on for here. Come on for here. Take our program.
Yeah, huh? What are you doing? I said, what are you doing here?
I put a drink on for you.
For what? Eh? Please, you just have to leave here now. I don't want to be seen with you in my office like this. Please.
Oga, no fear.
I do not want people to see you here. Please, just go.
Oga, calm down. I represent. You know, sir, I wear pink and white, my favorite color. I couldn't raise my nyash up as I come. I carry my nyash up as I waka. And the waka with self-esteem.
Do you realize that my wife just died? And I don't want to be seen carrying girls. Messing with girls around. Go and go with this food, please.
Okay, which kind of talk come be that one? No, partiality don't enter inside. Doctors don't bring food for you, you chop am. Abi, okay, you like doctors, you don't come like me. I don't find rich, Abi. Now what do you want to
I am still mourning my dead wife. Please go. Yes, she brought the food, I ate it because of my daughter. Okay? You just have to go now, please. You see, Dorcas is even more reasonable and sensible. But as for you, oh God, you make me speechless.
I make you speechless. Speechless, that was so
Hey, stop. Does it look like I'm playing with you or something? Go without me, I don't want it. What kind of rubbish is this? What's going on? Hey, Chibo.
they come from? Where you carry your goat leg, they come from? Eh? Where you go? Eh? For your mind now, you get sense. A bit easy.
If you mind your business for one day, if you mind your business, you go pay me.
Why I go mind my business? Eh? Why I go mind my business? So tell me now, where you go? You carry food to go give Oga, no be so. Now your strategy be that. You want take food, wound them, make you from food to meander, enter inside the heart. No be so. You tell me you chop am.
Don't come up for here. You get bad attitude too much. Such though they laugh wicked, so laugh.
Get the sense, nah. Get small sense, Ekwano. You see that be your big problem. You get big head, but sense no dey inside. Okay. You know, sir, I never tell you before. I never tell you since I like Oga. Abi, no wahala. Today I dey do true confession. You see Oga, I like her. Hey, I like everything concerning that man. No.
Lucas.
In fact, make I no lie to you. I won't make him make me wife. Yes. But you see that man, his wife just die. Yes, a wife just die. And this wife, what we dey talk about, no be stranger. Na person wey me and you know. Respect the dead is small. Then allow the man to mourn before you go carry your left leg enter inside.
You no respect the dead? Not be you. Why you no respect dead? This advice you dey give me, give yourself first. Make you advise yourself. You carry food, go give Oga first. You respect the dead wife before you dey go. You dey here dey talk to me.
Me and you no go for the same business.
So finally, you don open up now say you love Oga Abi?
Yes.
Dorcas! Dorcas! Avoid me for where Oga dey o. I go jam you o. I go jam you o.
He chop the food. Why you dey dodge the question? He chop the food. See as you dey. Okpofuri. I don't blame you. No sense at all. No, go now. Because I give Oga food, you too, you jump like 1 hour, go give him food. Ngwane kono na aka na tipa buaja. Game on. Game on, I got fish here.
Allow me pass.
Where you dey pass?
Allow me now. What you want to be your problem?
Abeg, comot here.
What be your problem? What be your problem? Tell me now. See problem.
Which nonsense problem? Which nonsense problem?
Ladies, please, just chill out.
Ha!
Chill. I mean, we should just look forward to take care of him in his drunken state and not what you are doing.
See you. I no go gree make this alero reach where Oga dey. This one way I no correct. Eh? If I allow him reach where Oga dey, this one he go chop am raw, take advantage of the man because he dey is the way he take dey no good. I know am very well.
See wetin this girl dey talk.
Come on there.
Say me go chop Oga.
You go chop am raw.
See this girl, say rubbish show this girl dey talk. Now wetin dey your mind you dey try make me for my mind. Back to sender. Nothing what I want do. The only thing what I want do be say I just want my carry Oga go inside room, baff am, rub and powder for the important places where they everybody go make cool them your tongue. You understand? Everybody go cool. Then he go come out for the condition wey in dey. That's all. That's all.
Did I hear you correctly?
You see wetin I dey tell you? Sure you dey hear am? I tell you say this girl no get sense. See, you be a girl o.
Which kind talk come be that one? I know they like this kind of rubbish show. See, Sammy, if you dey doubt me say na bad thing I want to, come make me and you go upstairs. Mo go inside room, lock ourselves. I go bath you, rub you powder for your important places. Then make everybody dey cool for your body. Make you see whether I go touch you.
Did you say that to me?
I dey say it to you now before I go. You get who I want say it to?
You be a girl o.
Wetin happen?
Then take man swear for you.
Without man for life for sweet.
Jeez.
You don't understand that man they make life sweet.
You don't spoil finish. Hey, you too. God. Which kind of nonsense? Come on. You think I go wound you for here? Me and you know they play. You dey mad? Something they worry you. Person go see as you dey now, they go think say you get sense.
Wait.
I know you blame you.
Wait.
You see, you are not blaming.
Can you listen?
That condition I make crayfish like.
I beg you go sit down. You don't tell me. You don't send me.
Listen.
We dey here, we dey here.
What is going on? Why?
As I tell you, you na oga friend na you be. Me, I dey live for this house with all of them. I know how all of them dey do. This goat wey don dey plan since. Now oga don come keep himself for am. If I leave this goat make e dey with oga, 1 minute you go give oga belle.
Continue to talk rubbish for your mouth.
Come on here.
Come me don't say follow me whether I go see whether such a thing go happen. Come on for here.
When you no get sense, when you no get sense,
they go do your work.
You don't know which
go make I do my work.
Go
take care of oga my work. You go take care of picking when I test when you take care of.
Okay. I have an idea. This is what we're going to do. Since both of you are dragging who's going to take care of your boss, this is what we're going to do. All of us are going to take him to his bedroom. Both of you will clean me up. Just take him out of this miserable state that he is. Bathe him, clean him, do whatever you want to do. But I will be there to supervise.
You go there the room?
Yes, I will be there to monitor.
Monitor.
Make I go check what this person did.
You go check. Now you want check. Me want go check food where they cook.
Which food where you
man go
cook? No, which food where you dey cook?
Which one?
Me, I won't go check wetin Benita dey do.
They can mind you want check what
take care of oga there.
Are you cook some bad food? I don't smile.
You are who dey smile. You see smile for my face. You set yourself.
You were just passing by. Remember me? I carried you where the storm was coming.
Oh boy.
I held you close.
Oh boy.
It got so big. I could hardly reach.
Sorry. What's up?
How are you feeling today?
Terrible. I feel so terrible right now. I must have had a lot of drink yesterday. That I can't even remember the event of yesterday. All I could remember is that I was hot. I can't even remember what happened.
Yes, you had a lot of drink. You had a lot. But you'll be fine. I am very certain you will be fine. But I am just worried. I'm worried about you finding yourself in the middle of those your overzealous domestic staffs. That's the only thing.
What are you talking about?
To put it nicely, actually. Your domestic staffs, they are doing a good job. I feel they love you, like they're taking care of you, they're doing what they ought to do. But to a point, I feel like too much of that might put you in trouble someday, or even hurt you.
Sonny, you're speaking figuratively. Should I be worried? Is there something that happened when I was drunk that you're not telling me?
You should not be worried, but I feel we should be concerned about you. Your domestic staffs, if you ask me, I feel like they have an agenda. Yes. You have to look out for yourself. Just my opinion, but I strongly feel so.
And why are you still standing there?
Oga, no vex, I no go come up for you. You know the green eat since. See you. You don't depreciate, demarciate. In short, you don't less. You go eat this food for my presence. I know they come out. No vex if I disobey you, sir.
what's the meaning of this?
Dorcas, what be the meaning of this?
My friend, keep quiet, dear. Oga, no vex, I beg. No chop this food.
Why?
This girl put something for inside the food. Something like voodoo.
Food?
And how did you know this?
Oga, I did there. I see the way where she dey look the food with evil eye. As you just dey put am for your mouth, she can't dey shake mouth like say she dey do incantation. Now that time my mind tell me say the food no pure.
Me open my mouth, God forbid me. What poison?
What's the evidence you have about these things you're saying?
Oh, tell me. Which evidence you get?
My friend, go ask Oga. Now because say you don't know this girl and you don't know the kind of thing where she fit to. And they tell you say this food no pure. Now make I say lie. I no go there here. You go chop for something where no good.
Dorcas, you the craze for your head.
Now you the craze because
you know the hear what? Oga, sack this girl. This girl no guesses. You see this lie when you like. Yes.
Do you know what? You people cannot be a threat to my sanity. I think I have to sack both of you.
Jesus.
No. Yes, I think I have to sack both of you.
Oga, sorry. Oga, no vex. Oga, this girl no get sense.
No, now you no get sense.
Get problem.
Now you no get sense.
You see the reason I should sack you.
Oga, no vex.
I am talking, you're still talking. Why are you touching me? Why are you touching my chest?
I just want to calm your nerves. I want me your temper cool.
No, you both of you, I'm sacking you.
Jesus.
No.
Oga, sorry.
That's not what will stop me.
You don't go feel beg. I tell them that they beg, okay? You don't need bad eye.
They crazy.
You get out of this place. Get out of this place.
Okay, that's where you get that.
Both of you.
Oh, they come.
Get out.
Fish goats.
Now me, wait. Dorcas.
Larry. Oh boy. You are gradually becoming a drunkard. Just look at what you have done. Huh? Why?
I've called you here to be my designated driver, not my counselor.
Larry, what is the problem? Because it has become a habit of yours that whenever you have a challenge, that is when you get to drink this much. So what is the problem?
Those people I have in my house, those my housemates, they're driving me crazy. Yes. I don't know, there's this competition they're having within themselves that I know nothing of. I don't actually know the price of what they are dragging. I don't know what they're competing for. I'm yet to know that. There's something going on within them.
Larry, is it that you have suddenly become slow? You are the prize. Yes, you are the reason they are fighting themselves. And I'm sure they must have even had a bet among themselves that whoever wins becomes the next madam of the house.
No, it's not me. It's not me. Maybe they're sleeping with the same man, which they are fighting for. Yeah, but definitely not me.
Well, for now you can use that to calm yourself down and give yourself false hope. But I believe you are the one. And in a very short period of time, the truth will be there staring into your eyes. Oh boy, your maids are in love with you. They're in love with you. It's not obvious. I think you've had enough already. Use water. Calm yourself.
Because of this your bad character, you want me to sack the two of us from this place, Abby? If not be see finish, what's it gonna make you get audacity to call knock food for that?
If they pain you, Abi? If they pain you, Abi? If they pain you, say I destroyed that your evil plan. You wear your eye not correct before. You think I no? I know say you don't tell where you dey plan to put Oga inside bottle, but you no go work. Because as you see me so, na me be Oga guardian angel.
You say what?
You no fit do bagam where I dey. You no fit try am.
You?
Yes.
Oh, Alera don't suffer. You be Oga guardian angel.
Na me.
God know you. Not talk of so can't give you position of guardian angel. See this expired witch, oh. Because your strategy now don't spoil. Now you want to use your own, spoil my own.
Mama, strategy. I no need that, mo. I no need that. Shebi you dey see as they do you film for your eye. Eh? Everything where you they see what they happen now. Now so God ordain now. Now my destiny be that. Make I shock you. You see Oga. Now me get am. Hey, I don't call be Oga. Tete. I go love am. I go take care of am. And nothing where you feed too. Even as he don't go finish, come back. Now make I station here. Because I don't trust you. Make you not carry this your evil crooked leg waka like busu. Enter inside, go give am something to chop. You no get sense.
Look at me.
Who you be?
Bet and Kwamu bet.
Which bet?
Kwamu bet now, I swear to Kwamu bet, just hit me bet now.
Okay.
Kwamu bet! Kwamu bet! I don't
Hey, you go. No, not this one. Eh? Yes, so. Hey! You look my leg.
No, I know they look your leg.
You look my leg now. I see you.
I know they look your leg.
Oh, yeah.
I know they look your leg.
Chineke. Eh. Hold on, dear. Make I see you. Waka Chineke. If they pull you, pass here. If I know, come on your leg.
I'm sorry for our loss. My sister was a good woman, and nobody's ever going to take her place in our lives.
You don't mean that? It's over 3 months now. You've just come condolence for your sister's husband and daughter. Why, Sarah?
You know, I'm not big on excuse. It took me a lot to be here. It's better late than never. Or do you want me gone?
I don't know, but it's bad. It's just so bad that you're the only family and you just showed up now, and not even when we needed you most. That's not nice at all.
I'm sorry about that. That's why I've come to be with my family. Please. I'm sorry.
I see how your niece was so happy seeing you. Anyway, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Get your things inside. It's okay.
Since when her sister buy, she no come. Now she dey carry her 2 left leg, they come here. You should not be bad person. What is she dey find by this time?
You know, expect say she no go come. Now her sister die now, and that her sister leave a small pikin behind. So she go come see the pikin where she live. No be so. What thing she supposed to do be that?
I be thinking like that, sir. But something they give me pressure now. The fight for Oga's heart na between me and you. Only you save na 10% in one. Only you they give me temperamental membrane problem. I know they fit even coordinate with you. It remains small for they get conversion because of you. Where they think strategy to beat you. I know want me another rival come. That one I know sure say I go fit survive.
I beg you, make I hear word. that girl where you see so, she dey like person wey go take for here. Eh? As you dey see am, e dey like person wey get handwork, wey dey do something. So she no go fit stay. But pata 1 day, 2 days, she don't come out.
Abi?
Now, only the wig wey dey her head show say she get wetin she dey do. And see the bag is small. Pata 2 slippers, 2 jeans, na im go dey inside. She no go take am come live with us now.
And she go get boyfriend. Her boyfriend fit dey call her and say, baby, come back, sharp. You know if you stay in my house that much.
Why it be say everything wey dey your head now, man? Anytime where you dey, na only man, na you dey think how you go Collab man, how you go thief man, how you go snatch man. Waiting.
Dorcas, now you dey talk like this. With that man, life for sweet.
Huh?
Now you dey talk like this. How life for be with that man? Ha! Dorcas, you said no. You dey talk that kind of thing. Man, we go hold you. Go hold you.
I beg you, no hold me. Without man, no. Yeah, just say for that. Without man.
Wetin happen now? It's okay. It's okay.
Sorry.
What is wrong?
Jeez.
What is wrong with this girl?
Well, my sister, calm down. Shh. No panic. When you go panic now, when you give me the answer, what if I calm down? Sister, I bet you say by now you're supposed to go your papa's house. You know, I think say this kind of journey where you come a 2 days journey, then you go back to your man, your boyfriend, you know, the man of your life. I don't know what you they do. I mean, you know, go as soon as possible. No, feel free to talk to me, feel free.
Well, I've come to stay. Do you have a problem with that?
Jesus. Sister, shout Jesus. Don't do that kind of thing. You have come to stay with?
With my family, of course.
God forbid, but fire! Don't speak that kind of thing. That spirit in you should be out. What will be the meaning of that one, sister? You want to stay for which house? No, wait. Calm down. I understand. You dey fear. Say we no go fit take care of your sister picking Abi. No worry yourself, You see say me and Dorcas we dey play. Now experience will be, even when your sister there, like she dey leave her picking meow come out. Now we dey take care of her. So no fear. When you go back to your work, or Abi, you won't miss your work. See, they pay us salary. You, they know they pay you salary. Your life go your day pause for you. They go your ass.
Are you normal? Are you sure you're normal? You know what? Just shut up. I have some ground rules here. Stay on your lane and don't cross my path. Do you get that? Did you hear me?
So you must stay on my lane, Abi?
Yes.
No problem.
Where are you going with the drink?
You must stay on my lane.
Alero. She did drink herself.
Dorcas! Dorcas, come on, the best way you go take, you go no.
What just happened? This girl is not normal, no. You see what my sister has been dealing with all this while? You know, bring that drink. Come!
Sister, they get temperamental. Here, make una chop. I no fit poison anybody for this family. Eh? Say I get bad character or I dey do any, I no mean say I can't be evil person. God forbid. I don't stay with this family for years, and I don't turn to my family. Why I go want kill my family?
My dear, trust is too risky. Those people that were killed by their helps, were they considered strangers? No. If you want us to eat this food, you have to take a spoonful.
Eh?
Yes. Take a spoonful.
Make I eat. Oh, you see, I dey fear food while I cook.
Eat it.
They do you like film now. See, I don't dey miss am. May you notice say.
Why you What is wrong with this girl?
The channel.
Go keep that meat.
No, no, son. I don't stop everything. Ah, I swallow. Nothing to me. I need to say. Now let me rest now.
I am just trying to be precautious.
Do you really have to go this far? Do you? She has been with us in this family for a long time now, and we're still with her. We are safe with her. You just have to go this far.
Friends today, enemies tomorrow. Never say never. I mean, I'm just trying to protect my family. You and Benita are my most priority in this house.
April.
My friend, will you get out? Can go. Please, let's sit.
Father, we bless this food in Jesus' name.
Amen.
She's a nice person. She loves her like her own. And I'm so lucky having her as a nanny for Benita. She made it easier for Benita to recover very fast from my wife's death. And she has been a solid support system for Benita.
Just like a mother, right?
Yeah, just like a mother. She perfectly fits in. She's an angel.
You say you want to see me?
Yes. I've seen how hard you've been working. And I think you need a time off. Yes.
I'm not complaining, no. And they enjoy to take care of Benita. They enjoy taking care of her very well. So, me, I don't need that break. Oh. I don't need them at all.
You know, I'm not disputing the fact that you're doing your job well. I can see it. It's all over. It's everywhere. The fact is that I need alone time to bond with my niece. That's all I'm asking.
How you go want make person come out before you and... I don't understand that.
That would have been good. But Benita might not be able to cope in the absence of Dorcas. You know, since the death of her mother, she has actually gotten used to being around Dorcas. But can't you bond with Benita if Dorcas is here?
Of course I will. I mean, I have to consider Benita's comfort. I'm only asking for a little privacy, that's all.
Oh, thanks for understanding.
I understand that Dorcas has been doing her job. I'm only trying to make up for lost time.
It's okay.
Can go.
See this. This is somebody's house. And the person didn't know. He's trying to enter the wardrobe.
Yes, Auntie.
Go upstairs, okay?
Okay, Auntie.
Benny, I'll see you later, okay?
Okay.
I told Sam you were around, and he can't stop talking about his encounter with you. He He would love to see you. And I think you want to meet him.
By that you mean we should go on a date? What if I don't feel this Sammy of a guy?
Sammy is a great guy. And he's so crazy about you.
I think I know a better man. He's a little bit complicated, but he's a man I want to spend the rest of my life with.
And if I may ask, who is this guy? Do I know him?
Of course you do. I met him before he saw my elder sister. And he was blown away like someone under his spell. And ever since then, he never cared if I was hurting or not. You know what? Enough of the tension. You need to relax, okay? Let me give you a massage.
Oh my God, this feels so good. Oh, please, just continue, don't stop. Oh. Oh, this is so good.
So, you chill. I am trying to talk to you. Say something now. What did she say?
How do I put this now? Okay. She ended up taking me into the lanes of memory.
Did she talk about the time you guys had even while you were married to her sister?
She spoke about time. Even before I married the sister. And she talked about destiny, of faith, being rewritten, and asked if I was aware of it. I was confused.
Lad, she still has feelings for you. It is obvious. I mean, she did not just visit you or just came to see how you're faring. I think she wants a part of your life. Yes?
She can't be wanting that. She can't. I'm married to her sister. She can't be having feelings for me. No, she can't.
Okay, let us check this out. She's shooting her shots at you. What does this tell you? She still wants you. You have told her that there is a man who is very interested in her. Not once have I sent you to her, not even twice, not even 3 times. And all of this fell on deaf ears. She doesn't care. All she wants is you. Can't you see it?
See, you can't continue to call me. Allow me to focus on what I came here for. That way you'll be able to get what you want and I'll get what I want too. Yes. Please just give me time. Stop calling me so you don't put me in problem, please. Please, we'll talk later. We'll talk later, please. Bye-bye.
and see this girl get what she dey hide for this house. He dey say, let me complete what I came to do. I'll call you back. What he just dey pay me now be say, na Oga and Benita just dey pity. I dey tell you. I tell Dorcas this thing, no. I tell Dorcas, say this girl, I don't trust her, but Dorcas don't go hear me. Wait now, make I go tell her wetin I hear. Wait be this thing when she go complete. If no be party, because as she see me, she just shock. Naturally, person see me. Dorcas! Where Dorcas?
I suggest we send Benita to a ballet school. I mean, it teaches good discipline of body and mind. With that, she will take some things off her mind.
Yeah, it's a good idea, but I don't think she's ready for it now, okay? Sending her away from the families, it's not that good suggestion. Okay. Sarah here is suggesting we send Benita to a ballet school. Do you think it's the right time to send her away from the family?
No, sir. No be the right time at all. Okay, you know what's in the happen. And the reason why that girl they cope now na because she dey see people wey she know. If you carry and come out from here, come put am with strangers, you go begin affect them. So, no be the right time to come out her from this house, I beg.
You've heard it. At least she knows Benita too well, you know. She's the one working with Benita, so she can tell more. So, case closed.
It's okay. I understand. I was only trying to suggest something, but it's fine. I mean, staying around people that love her will make her feel better. That's okay. I'll be now. You know, you're not to be underestimated. You're not just an ordinary nanny. You're going for something.
I beg you. I don't understand what you they talk. For guys say I dey here they help a little sweep. My main work for this house now to take care of Benita. And everything where you see me they do, I just they do and for her happiness.
No, you want something more. Yeah, of course. You want something. I see all your strategies. And somehow Larry manages to seek your opinion before he does anything for his daughter. That is the work of a mother. Not for a nanny having such influence over a man and his daughter.
Maybe because the man gets eyes and the man they see well. And the man they see say I dey take care of his daughter very well. Because now me and that pikin we dey date together all the time. I know everything we concern that girl. I know what she like and what she not like. So maybe she in the see him now, I be in blind.
So that is why you want to use his daughter and scheme your way into his heart. Eh? Is that why you're doing what you're doing? But see, let me tell you, you must have been doing that before I came here. But you see now that I'm here, that rubbish will stop. Did you hear me? It will never repeat itself. I'm talking to you and who are you doing that one for?
That one concern you. Now what thing you they do, now you think say another person they do. Yes, I feel your money a corner. See, make I tell you. My work here now to take care of that pikin, and that is it. I beg, give me chance to make I work.
Let's see how you succeed in this house.
This cheese now make you follow me come market.
This thing where Sarah they do, you know they bother you. You know, she say na style she they use to make she kick us come up from the house.
No, now you she want kick come out. No make her look like say na me she dey fight. Now you, so okay. No be my problem.
No, if she kick me out finish, who go be next? No be you. You know, she say she the eye Oga. You know, she just they look for ways to come out so that she go get Oga by herself.
True. Now make she want make us useless. Make she just make us useless for that house.
Exactly.
Very soon now she go enter my territory, come dey cook.
Oh, thank God you know wetin I dey talk now.
No, affliction will not rise again the second time.
Ah.
Abeg, come, wetin we go do? Come tell me wetin we go do.
If you ask me.
Look at your cheeks. Eh? Must have been a chubby little boy when you were a baby.
Just see as that Ikuke just dey form romance with Oga. So, this girl just carry her two left legs come this house, make she collect her sister husband. Her sister wey don die.
You know this,
yeah? Now I confirm say dead people no get power. Because if na me be that her sister, I for done from land of the dead, tear her better slap.
You know, see as body they do a kwaza. It don't want me the man touch this hot body, make the man piaya.
Hi, Chineken. Jiro, you want kiss him? But why you gonna even shake him body self like say woman dey near him?
I dey send this girl thunder from my village.
I dey mix the one from my village to your own. Ikata boy. Yes. My mistake.
That's all.
Alero! Why did you throw this thing here? Yeah, come and pick it. Right now. I said you come and pick this.
Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere.
Come and pick this thing. Are you
Yes, sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Hi.
You look so cute. You're going to make me love a man on corporate outfits.
So they used to flatter men on suit?
I don't flatter. I mean, I'm even wondering how I was able to stay away from you all these years. Maybe because of my sister.
Why are you telling me all this?
Because I never stopped loving you.
Oga! Oga! See mosquito?
Mosquito?
Yes, mosquito. Oga!
Hey, stop. Is he dead?
Almost something like that. Oga, na your chest be this?
No, not your chest. Excuse me.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, thank you.
Busybody.
Ooh. Oh. Nyang, nyang, nyang. Oga chest just be like bomo. Ooh. I gotta go wash my hands. Ooh.
Just passing by.
Please, see, I'm doing everything I can. And I can't move too fast, so I don't risk being caught. And you won't get what you want. Please, just give me like, let's say 3 months. Yes. Please, 3 months is not too much. Just give me time here. See, I'm going to move everything to the next level. Yes. Please, be patient with me, please. I beg you. Okay. Okay. All right.
Who should they talk to? Hey. This person where she they talk to, they shake like shaky daddy. Hey, you be like say the person they blackmail her more. The person they blackmail am. But to which plan she come dey talk say she go move up. Hey, I hope say she know they come for my job, oh, because now that one now go make me vex. Hey, manager, this kind call. Now him be say Oga and Benita, they need help. They need help. The way where they see this girl, she dey on a very dangerous mission for this house. But me, I got my eyes on you. You no go try am for this house because I got my eyes on you.
I want you and your partner to go spend the week with your family.
I don't understand. That's who. Our instructor will be waiting. I be say like as in how? Say na Christmas holiday, New Year or Easter. We don't stay here for years. We never go any holiday. So why you gonna tell us our family know they complain? So where this one they come from?
Alero, I need time to bond with my family. Most especially my niece. And I cannot do that with you two overzealous maids hovering around me.
Oh, now you can't tell me the reason. You want bond. The bond where they bond. Madam, we there for your road. Bonding with Pekin, I understand. But Oga, why you want bond with Oga? You know bond with her when your sister they alive. Now your sister don't meme. Now you want to bond with your husband. Sister, can you tell me the reason behind it?
Are you normal?
Just me.
Is this? Why am I even wasting my time talking to you?
Idea. Say you are the idea where you got it. You with your flat breast wait till they come. Says you expose your body. See, man, I tell you, sister, if they compare my breast with your breast won't reach anywhere. My breast gallant, but I don't expose them. But you see your open breast, Oga no still send you. Now you want to send us for 1 week holiday. We not beg, Oga no go agree.
You are mad. Larry, can you please back me up with this? I've already told you the reason why I need privacy.
I have no objection whatsoever. Sarah here is just asking for 1 week, and I think if we can cooperate with her, it will not be bad. Okay? I know how much you love your job, but I assure you, you still have it.
Okay, now you talk this thing.
You heard me, right?
Any problem? You heard him.
Are you saying Sarah has asked all your employees to go on a compulsory 1 week leave so she can spend time with Benita?
That is what she said, and I dare not object.
Man, what is going on? Are you having feelings for your late wife's sister? Do you find her attractive?
Not really, not really. She's attractive, yes, but I've not got these feelings of having anything around her.
Okay, because from all indication, something is cooking. Yes, even if you claim not to know, but I can sense it. I mean, it doesn't just add up, if you ask me, that she asked all your employees to leave and requesting for a private time to bond with Benita. Something is up.
Yeah, conversation she has hinted towards that, but I'm not ready yet. Nina is still fresh, very fresh in my mind. Just that I'm so curious about Dorcas.
Dorcas? Yeah. Dorcas, the nanny. Why are you curious about her?
Her bond with Benita. Yeah. You know, she perfectly stepped into the role of mother with Benita. And she got healed so fast. And she actually moved on very fast. So I'm so concerned about that. So concerned.
Well, it is very simple if you ask me, and I think she's just very, very wonderful at delivering her job. That's all. Except there is something you want to tell me.
Boy, I'll see you later.
All right now. Drive safe.
Auntie, please take me with you. I want to stay with you.
Don't worry. I go soon come back. I know they stay too long. You hear? I know they stay. I go come. Oh?
Promise me.
I promise you. I dey run. I dey. Not just something I won't go do. I dey come back. Hey, remember that thing why I tell you? Anytime when you dey sleep, fear can't catch you, or you feel say something there around, you will do what? Pray. Now what I teach you? You hear? Just pray. I go soon come back. You know.
She'll be back for you. She's right, okay?
And
She'll
my
be back
mom
for you
is
soon.
anything where they make you fear, just shout, I am a winner, I am a winner, I am a winner 3 times. The thing will promote. Will they come back here? Don't be so too much.
It's okay. Auntie also has loved ones she wants to go and see. She'll be back soon, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, come on.
Benita, come.
You sure say no be style these people use to pursue us come up for house like this?
I tire. But now Oga gets the final say. Even though I still don't understand why you allow that Sarah to pursue us come off or just discharge us like that. You know make sense now.
Nah, him now. Now when she dey start her evil, now she dey say me they discharge us. The time what she go come do when she won't clear the coast, that means she go send us to exile.
You know all of this thing. Na Benita na him dey pity. Even him own mama sister. Him mama sister no get good intention where in there. The way why they see as things there, e be like say na only me and her papa na him care for am o. E be like say na only us get good mind where in there.
You say what? Wetin I come be? No be me dey suffer dey cook for am since. Why you can't act like say na you care for the girl past us? You dey carry a matter like say na agege bread wey you dey serve.
You no understand. That girl just lose her mama and she get soft heart. See, I no care who that Sarah be. If she try me, if she won't see my bad color, make she touch that girl. Make she do am anything. Make she even look am bad eye. Now that time I go show am wetin I fit do. She dey mad.
My sister, you no get level.
Yeah, forget that thing. I tell that girl say I go dey for am and I must to dey for am. Na so it go dey.
Oh, no verse, you no get level. If you get level, you for stop this thing. So, if you get level, you therefore no send me and you for compulsory off duty.
I no blame you. But that same level where you no get, now it make you see everything where you go buy in a biscuit where air don't enter. Now you buy, come make you chop. You no get sense.
This thing where you.
No, you don't open them.
I won't go back to the woman. Man, go find trouble. You understand? If I they shout, if I tell, I say, madam, this thing what you do is bad. Follow me, they back me up. Come on, go.
Let us pray. We pray for this for in Jesus' name.
Amen.
That's it.
What do you all think of my cooking?
You know, the food would have been so great if not for It's okay.
Dad, this food tastes burnt. Why are you trying to lie to Auntie? This food tastes bad.
Hey, Benita, come on. Stop saying that, okay? Your auntie puts too many efforts preparing this food. Okay? You should appreciate that.
I'm unable to eat this food. And I'm hungry. And I miss Auntie Alleria and Auntie Dorcas.
Oh, baby girl, you don't have to say that, come. You don't need to miss them, okay? I'm here for you. You know what? Tell me what you want and I'll call a restaurant to get it.
Really?
Yes, of course, you're my baby girl. Tell me what you want. And it's done.
I need jollof fries and chicken.
Okay, done.
So why did you come back? Hey. Tell me the truth from your heart. Do not give me a political answer. So why did you come back?
When my sister died, I realized that life is fleeting. You don't really get to spend time with people we love, or because of feeling of discord, or that we're busy with work. But when death hits, we realize the importance of family and how to give the people we love more time. That's why I'm here.
So you're here for Benita and to be like a mother to her?
Yes, but that is if you allow me. Yeah, I know I was not a devoted sister, but I'm willing to be a devoted aunt, mother, or even wife. I just want to be with the people that matters most. And
you know we can't do this.
why?
It's not right.
Larry, your wife is dead. You're not cheating on her. What is wrong with you? You need to move on. You can't be probably cheating on somebody that is dead. You need to move on.
I know. But that will be my decision. When to move on and whom to move on with. I will decide. Where is Benita? I don't see her around.
Oh, she went to be with her best friend and to also sleep over. So I gave her the permission.
And you think it's not necessary to let me know?
I'm so sorry. She gave me this cute puppy face and I thought she was bored and let to eat somebody. So I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'll call to check on her.
You like it?
Why don't you join me?
No, I'm okay. Enjoy yourself.
Want some?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Sarah. Sarah, tell me it did not happen. Sarah, tell me I did not do it. Oh God, what did you do to me, Sarah?
Don't even act like the victim here. You forced and hide your way with me. I must have made advances at you, but Larry, I never asked you to rape me. I never asked you to.
Rape? Sarah, me raped you? Sarah, I can't even remember what I did. I can't even remember touching you. How come? How come I can't remember anything?
Larry, I begged you. I pleaded with you. But what did you do? You passed on me like a demon-possessed man. What did I ever do to you? What? What?
Oh, this is not me. This is not me at all. There's no way I'll do something and I'll not remember what I did. This is not me.
Then I did it on myself.
Sarah, I can't remember doing this, but I am sorry. I am sorry. I can't just hurt you with my clear eyes. I can't. Oh, God. Oh.
What are you doing here? And where is that your stupid partner, Alero?
She dey inside. She dey arrange things. You know, say, you never tell when we come. Where Oga dey? I hope say Oga dey okay.
And who are you to ask me that stupid question? As the madam of the house now. Wait. You think you're that important for Oga to be around to welcome you? As how now? My friend, get inside and get busy.
Forget that thing where you dey talk. Where Oga dey? I hope say Oga dey okay. Because Oga dey okay when we dey comot this house. I hope say he still dey as okay as in dey that time now. Because I dey call a number since he no dey pick. And you know say I no trust you. I no trust you at all.
So all I've been saying here, you did not hear it. Mba, what Jen Nazo now? Abi? I said you should get inside and get busy. Stop asking me that rubbish. Oga is not your problem. He's not the one you came here to serve. Focus on what you came here to do. Take care of Benita. And since both of you left this house, the dishes has not been done. The clothes, the plate, everything is dirty. So get inside and get busy. Go and do the dishes. Go and do what you were paid for.
Ezioku. Shebi you see say you know the big call. You know the big call. Where Oga dey?
I tried so hard not to get into her pant, even when she kept coming for me. But I ended up doing it and can't remember any part of it.
Wait. So which part are you sad about? Is it that you can't remember the moment you had with her, or that you did it?
I am sad doing something I can't recall. She made me feel so sad. She made me feel so filthy and disgusting. Suggesting I raped her.
Rape? Strong words, I must say. Very, very strong word. Rape. And look, Larry, that accusation should not be taken lightly. That is a very terrible thing to say about you. On that fateful day, can you remember what actually happened?
I ate the food she prepared that day, and I cannot be able to control the urge that took over me. And what happened after then was like an empty space in my memory.
I have this strong conviction within me that Sarah plotted all of this. From all indications. But my question is, why is she now playing the victim card? She wanted to live with you. She lured you. And you fell for it. Why is she now playing the victim card and accusing you of a very terrible act? Rape.
Okay, thank you.
Oga, but no verse. No verse. Again, what I want to tell you. I think what they tell me something, they tell me say, Madam said I be like say she did big trouble.
What kind of trouble?
I just did my own. Now I dey hear. I said what I just dey hear what she dey talk. Say please give me 3 months. Give me 3 months. I don't know other person they threaten in life for. You just say me they give her 3 months. They didn't fear me or God, they tell you the truth.
How? How do you know this? How? Oh. You eavesdrop in someone's conversation and you know it's a very bad habit.
Oga, I not eavesdrop. I not drop for them. As I know the work on my ear, you make me I just hear the information.
Oh.
Yes, you know, so for our village, our lineage, would they get this active ear? If you like, talk from 5 junction away, would they hear? I don't know why. They hear everything. Even many things. One say, okay, what they try to tell you? Say, maybe you know how to do this thing because delay is dangerous.
I see. Sarah is a big girl. If she has something to tell me, any problem that she wants to sort out, that she needs my help, she should walk up to me and talk to me. Okay? Stop eavesdropping on people's conversation. It's very bad. Bad habit. Do you understand? Stop allowing your ear to do meow. Do you understand?
Yes. But okay, in case na life-threatening issue, maybe na you now because you didn't tell them 3 months. Can you go now? That conversation doesn't concern you. Yes. Thank you. This issue I want to tell you. It's like your ear just do meow again. I did not say anything. Or did you hear me say anything? I don't want to hear. After you tell me that your family has a ear problem. You not travel.
carried you where the storm was coming. I held you close, then there was shelter. It got so big, I could hardly reach you.
What is that you're giving me?
This is my pregnancy test results. I'm pregnant for you.
You're pregnant for who?
You, of course.
It's not possible. You can't possibly be pregnant for me.
Are you infertile for that to be impossible?
That is it. I'm infertile. Before going in for my chemotherapy, during my cancer treatment, I deposited sperm in a bank, which Nina used and was inseminated when she got pregnant with Benita. After the chemo treatment, I was diagnosed infertile, as my sperm producing cells were damaged by the treatment. So there is no way in this world I would have gotten you pregnant. It's not possible.
So Nina kept this a secret from me. You're trying to say that Benita is a product of insemination. That was why she also took her own secret to her grave.
What secret are you talking about?
Do you want to know? But that's going to cost you a lot. I'm in a deep debt. And if I don't bring this money, they are going to use my body parts to cover up for it.
You are lying. You are lying. You're trying to extract money from me.
Really? You know, it's very bad of you to live in pure ignorance, knowing fully well that this secret can destroy all you have labored for when it goes on ahead. Give me the money and I'll tell you all your dead wife's secrets.
Hey, Jesus. So, Nne, all this while when you they perambulate this whole house, they hang shoulder like a hanger. They form owner of house. So you be a cookie. Common ordinary a cookie. So you be street girl, where just they look for waiting in go collect, waiting in go grab, no be so? Hi! So you for just so carry pikin when no be oga own, hang am for your head. Ha! Thank God though. Thank God though say oga no fit lay egg. If not, na so you for just carry belle now. Hang on top oga head. Then because of pregnancy, oga go come good man because yes, oga na good man. Go come land for bad woman like you. Now so you go just take Collab good man to yourself, as bad as you dey.
What rubbish are you talking about? What are you saying? What ex are you talking about? You mean Oga's infertility?
Oh, so you know before. Why you come dey dance around them like say you don't know wetin I dey talk? You want take style, talk side be illiterate, no be so? You know something past me?
Isn't that obvious?
See this one. See this one.
See, I don't have time for your bullshit. I have real life pressing issues. And if you feel you want to feel something, then tell your boss to pay off for the secret. Yes, this secret has something to do with Benita. And I know you love her so much. So you better do the needful.
Jero, how Benita name take enter this issue now? Wetin come concern Benita inside this matter now?
You see, the person with the secret is dead. But I'm leaving to tell the secret. Tell your boss to do the needful. I don't have time for this rubbish. Please excuse me.
Hi. Opiami aibu uterumo. Hey.
So Sarah is asking you to pay her so she can reveal a secret her sister, your late wife, took to the grave. What does she want? Are you willing and are you ready to hear this secret?
The truth is that I want to know, but I don't trust Sarah. I do not trust her. She's so desperate that she wants me to take the responsibility of her pregnancy. A pregnancy that is not mine or could even be fake. She's cooking up all these things just to extort money from me. For all I know, she can spill lies.
Yes, I agree with you. But we wouldn't know until we find out. I mean, how desperate can she be to the extent of lying against her dead sister? Is she that terrible?
Yes, she's so desperate, knowing fully well that the dead cannot defend themselves based on what has been said about them because they are dead. She's so desperate that she wants to betray her sister, her dead sister, because of money. I can't trust her. I can't.
Larry, we cannot tell if she's telling the truth or she's just a very crazy, unrepentant liar until you go to the depth of this matter and find out. We cannot assume. This matter needs practicals. Yes. For me, I will advise you follow this matter to the end. What will it take? A few millions. That's all. Pay her the money. Then, we are going to resolve this whole thing once and for all. It is either she's telling the truth, which is going to save you or help you, or we'll now find out how terrible of a person she is, which is even going to help you and Binta, save you the stress of she coming around claiming to be family and then stressing you out. It's 50-50. You can't lose in this situation. So the money is for two purposes. You finding out the truth, or you realizing that she's worse than what you think of her. So you are paying for something. You can't lose. 50-50. If you ask me, I strongly advise that we'll go with her flow.
Pick it. That's the money. That's what you demanded for. Now you've gotten what you requested for. Live up to your promise. What's the secret? Talk to me.
You know, Benita is your daughter. Even me looking at her, anyone can tell.
Are you stupid? Where do you think you're going to? How come you're telling me what I know? You're telling me that Benita is my daughter. Of course, I never doubted that. Start talking now before I call the police.
Larry, we're still family. I'm sorry that my sister didn't tell you her secret. I'm sorry she didn't tell you that she couldn't take in or even give birth.
Why are you lying against your sister because she's dead? Because she's not here to justify what you're saying.
Even I myself wanted my sister to go to the grave with her secret, without raising dust. But you deserve to know the truth. I'm sorry I'm taking money for that. See, years ago, my sister had ovarian cancer. And she had her womb removed. She could recover. I'm even surprised she kept that a secret from you. Ed didn't inform Benita. Benita is someone else's daughter. Yes.
Why are you lying against your sister? Because I watched my wife carry Benita for 9 months in her womb. So why are you lying against your dead sister? How cruel you can be. Now, take this money and get out of this place. I do not ever want to see your face around this place again. Now get out. Sarah, get out.
You know what? You have to decide if you want to know the truth. You can ask the family doctor. And for the money, thanks. I'll leave.
You see, I said I just carry gun now. Shoot yourself for leg. I tell you the truth now. You say, as this girl don't fall out of this house now, the competition now between me and you. No more friendship, we will not be friends again. Nah, we dey fight for God.
You and who? You and who they fight for God? See, as I look this Sarah woman, the way where she take enter this house, pretend like say she like her sister Pikin. Make she just get close to Oga and collect money. I no want be that kind of person. No. It cannot be me. I no want be that kind of person. See, make I tell you, Oga don't see shege. Off go and get Ogodi. So, he need better woman. Good woman will get better brain and better heart. So, I don't think. Come they ask myself, say, this thing where me and you they do. Come they fight for Oga heart. You know, really show say. Waiting I feel they real. Yes, because if to say they real, me and you not supposed to fight.
No, I don't understand, Lucas. Wait, you mean say you they give up for this competition with me and you take to win Oga heart?
I say I no do again. You know the tire. I no do again. So you see this scheming, all this mago, all this aruche, amano. Make we take mago, enter Oga, enter a heart, make I be in wife or Benita mama. I no want do again. Anyhow we faith break. Anything we faith break. Anyhow we God want do, me and they okay.
Wait, what did you try to tell me now? Say they throw away the opportunity to become madam of this house tomorrow. So wait, if your destiny now, they don't write and say, you see the cast, nani go they do accept forever and ever, you go accept her like that.
As long as then and so God write am, I dey ready. You know the tire. You know they even sleep. See bag full your eye because every night today they calculate how you want to take a meander inside Oga heart. I beg shift.
God Almighty, I know say you love me. You see this thing where the cats talk? I know say no be by her power. Now you initiate and make give up for me. So now so I take on win the battle.
You never see where person. Now only him they do competition against themselves and they still lose. Like during the election, now only you, they one ballot boss, person no vote you. You never see him. Okay.
Mr. Larry, this one you summoned me to your place. Hope there's no problem.
You tell me, Dr. Mike. Tell me what I need to know about Benita's birth. Is Nina her birth mother? Did she carry the pregnancy?
Nina was my patient, and I am ethically bound by this profession to uphold confidentiality.
To hell with that. To hell with ethics. Is my life a joke? Should we escalate this issue to the higher authority of your profession? So you see, you don't need to keep a husband in the dark concerning his child. Ethical constraint, doctor. Patient's confidentiality ends the moment the patient dies. Doctor, start talking. Tell me what happened to my sperm that was kept in the sperm bank. Start talking.
It was used for what it was intended for.
Intended for?
Must you ask that?
Was it used for the person it was intended for? Was it used for Nina? Doctor, start talking, because I will do all I can to run you out of your medical practice.
Calm down. Nina is dead. She was my patient. And also, I'm your family doctor. You deserve to know the truth. But ethically, she told me to uphold this secret. She lost her womb a long time ago to an ovarian cancer. But you need to know the truth, Larry. You need to know who is carrying the child. You need to know. I'll tell you the truth.
Larry, how is this even possible? I mean, we both saw Nina's baby born. How is it possible?
My guy, you remember I traveled for 2 years just to set up my stuff in New York and train the new ones. You remembered?
Yes. I can recall vividly that you were out of the country for 2 years. But I can also remember that there was a time that Nina was threatening you to return back to the country and attend your child's first birthday.
Yeah, I missed touching my baby's cake in the belly. I missed being there when she was born. I missed her naming ceremony and child dedication. I know Nina wouldn't take it from me if I wasn't there for her first birthday. But I saw all this in a video call. I saw it because I was away for a long time. I wasn't there to witness the pregnancy. How then will she convince me, doctor, that she carried the pregnancy? How? I saw this bump growing each day. What happened? How?
She wore an artificial baby bumps, or fake bellies, as they call it, in all the stages of the pregnancy. These fake bellies are made from silicone materials, of which, when you wear it, they look realistic, especially when you feel it.
Doctor, I can see that you have done your best to conceal the truth from my friend. But I also want to let you know that my friend here deserves to know the truth. Nothing but the truth. I mean, how do you manage your conscience as a human being? You keep away the true mother of a man's child away from him. How? So, doctor, we are here to find out the truth, and he deserves to know the truth. So I would advise that you stop beating around the bush and go straight to the point. Just tell us the truth. Who is the mother of the child that belongs to my friend? I mean, who carried the pregnancy that led to the birth of my friend's child.
She was paid as a surrogate and her ex too. And we made her sign the NDA, non-disclosure agreement, and ensures that she doesn't know the couple she was helping.
Impossible. It can't be her. This must be a joke.
What's the problem, Larry? Do you know her? Sammy? You know her?
Dr. Mike, what did they do for here? Sammy, you two follow come. I hope say everything they okay. Oga?
Dorcas.
Sir?
Please sit.
Eh?
Sit down, please. Dorcas, I want you to get a grip of you on everything you're going to hear now.
Dorcas, I want to break it down for you now. Shebi, you remember that family where you born picking for? Can you remember? Now Mr. Larry family. Now Mr. Larry sperm now we use they give you belly.
Which means? Ah, Cheru, make I understand. Benita na my pikin.
Yes. Now your pikin.
Hey! Cheru. Nami be her mama. Nami be her mama, Nami born am.
And please remember the contract. The agreement says
Hey,
that.
don't even go there, don't tell me anything about agreement. That agreement where you want to talk about now, Shebi, they keep am since. Why you can't tell me now? Why you can't tell me? You know, say what in person no go fit kill am. Hey! No wonder. No wonder. Anytime where I dey near that pikin, my heart go just dey do ukiti. Now I know. Na me born am.
Dorcas, please later we'll talk about the future of Benita. Okay? I don't want you to say anything that will make her feel bad or make her feel hurt. I do not want to hurt that girl, please. Just take it easy. We'll talk about this later, okay? Get a grip of yourself, please. Dorcas, I know it must have been a shock to you. But I'm sorry for dumping the truth on you like that.
Oga, you no go understand the kind guilty conscience why they get since the day where I born this girl. You see that cry where she cried the day where I push her mouth. I know they forget am. I dey hear that cry every day. That cry they judge me. Which kind mama go carry him pikin finish? Bond with am for inside womb finish. Born am finish. Come carry am. Give am away. Because of money. But you no go blame me because that time, apart from say plenty things hold me for my life that time, I understand the contract where I signed. I I no know say God go still pity me. I no know say God go still mercy for me. I go come dey close to my own pikin. They take care of am as nanny. They love am like my own. Not knowing say true. Na me born am. I never still understand this one.
Dorcas, you see, life is a mystery. I don't even know how to tell Benita that the mother she has known all her life is not her real mother. I mean, how does someone tell an 8-year-old girl something like that?
You no get as you want take talk am. Anyhow you like talk am, you go just confuse am. You go just dey like where you dey teach kindergarten nursery 1 person science experiment. You no go understand am. But if you ask me, we no need to hurry. We no need to tell am now. Nothing wey you take that information they do now. Make we just wait for am, make he grow. At least when he reach that kind secondary school or university safe, when her mind go don dey and she go understand talk of say person they carry person pikin, another person they put sperm inside, he go belle go show. That time she go don dey old enough and her brain go fit carry am. Abi you wan rush tell am now, come put confusion for your 8-year-old girl brain.
Dorcas, I knew you always put Benita's interests first before your own. And I want you to always be close to her. Yes, please, keep being close to her. And me too.
Okay, where I wan go? Where I wan go? When I don't make Benita the center of my life before I even find out say na me born am. I no fit comot o. We pin here, Oga. No leave, no transfer.
Thank you so much. I appreciate.
Kai.
Hey, Jesus. So now you born this girl, you self no know.
The thing still dey me like dream. As I dey here, I don't know whether make I begin cry or make I dey sad or make I happy. Now the main problem be say, as one weight don't come out from my body, another one don't replace am.
Oh. Well, she self go understand. But how you want to explain for her say you go get belle for another person, come born pikin because of money? Well, she go try understand because you self, you go tell her say problem too much for this world. Make she know.
You know say I blame poverty. And poverty I blame. Because person know they take in clear eye do something like that. But anyway, I no want to think of the future now. Make the future think of itself. When that time reach, I go confess to am now, like say na where I be.
I bet make she know say problem too much for world. Wetin me know be say love no dey hold grudge. He go forgive you, na person he be. He go forgive you. Hi. I no fit think man no go get BP, God forbid. Hey! You know see this life, it dey more spiritual than we think. No wonder you carry a matter for head like a gege bread. True, blood is thicker than water.
My sister, now I believe her. You see blood, it is thicker than water.
Auntie Dorcas, there's a cooking competition coming on in our school. I want you to attend as my mother. Other children will be bigger than mommy.
Dorcas, there is no need for this okay? You're so close to this child. You're the only one very close to her. And I'll be happy if you if you can grant her request.
Now beside don't grant them now. Now you are just the look make you give me go ahead order. But as you approve, I go.
Go ahead.
I go. Me, I don't come for that your school finish you. I go tell you the kind things where you go cook. Now you go win the competition. You dey hear me so? No, I go. Hey, not the
Okay, let me leave both of you.
You don't listen what you want cook. I will teach you. Don't be say if you cook am, know how well you know go win. You know what I mean? You for talk and sense. When the competition be? Oh, next week, Icha. Come. When we start now, practice make perfect.
Cheers. Okay, I've never done this before. I'm not used to talking to ladies like this, but I just have to do this. I would like to know you more.
Okay. You know go bad though. But tell me, what do you want to know?
Everything. You know, I would just love to know the mother of my daughter. You know, everything about you.
Okay, so you just want to know me because of Benita, no be so?
No,
just because of Benita.
No, not really. See, I've been so curious about you. You know, no one has ever made me feel this way. You know, the way you made me to eat the other day, you were so bothered, you were so caring, and the way you care about Benita, looking after her and everything, you know. I would really like to know more about you, everything about you, you know, and I would love to go on a date with you.
Ha! You don't finish work with that now. If they carry me come out or no carry me go those expensive places where their fork they long past their future.
Oh, really?
Carry me go where they cook better food. Now that one be my own. Where they wash hand, they cook better food. So as you don't buy wig, buy clothes for me, you go match am with better food.
Oh, really?
Yes, nah.
So, is that a yes?
Doubting Thomas. As I dey here now and they plan the date, your mind not tell you say I don't agree. True, you know, sabi talk to a woman, and now I believe you.
Okay, can you do something for me? Can you look into my eyes?
That you don't come again.
Just for 5 minutes.
You don't come with this one now.
Okay, 2 minutes.
Okay, make I drink my drink, finish.
A minute.
Don't worry, just wait. Just
So
keep your eyes like this.
You're the
make
one
I
shy now, not me.
Make I drink, Biko.
Hello.
I don't understand. Why you dey go now? Shebi you know say no be more say you go. Stay now. I don't tell you. I no go treat you like say I be boss. I no go treat you like employee. I no go. In fact, I don't understand. I no even be madam self. I be the pikin mama. So, where stay? Where you dey go?
You can't talk, you no be madam. You no be madam, but you dey on the road to become madam. This humble way you dey humble, you no fit you. Brag for one day, brag. E don reach you. You can't talk come down and say you no be madam. You born for oga and you don dey date oga. You can't do this thing. They brag, now you win. I lose, you win. Now as e be, I don't accept my defeat. Even heaven don't even coronate you now. You don't kukuma born pikin for oga. So everything don settle. Allow me, man, I do go abeg.
So you don't make up your mind with that. No, make I even ask you, wetin dey wrong if you stay? Now, wetin dey wrong? Abi you just dey comfortable because na me be the pikin mama. Listen, I know say we two dey fight before, but we don't become friends now. So wetin dey if you stay here with me? Wetin dey there now?
Affliction no go rise the second time, Dorcas. You remember wetin happen when madam still dey alive? You know wetin I do, oga? I still get feeling for oga. I no go try am. Ma stay here. You want make I cheat on you with oga? One man cheat on oga with you? No. One man cheat on you? Ma cheat. I no want cheat. Anything cheating, I no want cheat. I no want come dey seduce oga for your presence. I beg. I make I want stay. Now that friendship make me dey comot for this your house now. I don't want shit on you with Oga. Make I just off you go outside. Maybe I feel find love. But when I want to find person, we go be like Oga. I go find who big man wey be say wife one die, go there. If your wife die, take over. I mean, man, don't they go life time, man. Don't tire myself.
If you hug me before you dey comot. As you don't say you go. I don't understand. I don't just understand you.
Like you won't make me cry. I know they like cry. I know they like me anything make me cry. You won't make me cry now. Because you know say I like it. It make me cry.
Okay. But now me they tell you say make you no go, make you stay. Now you carry your coconut head, one come off for a year.
Leave me, man, they go. Docas, leave me, man, they go. Leave me. Docas, leave me, leave
go
me.
Now.
Daddy, don't you look like a real family now?
Yeah, we do. Are you happy now?
Yes, I love Francie Docas.
Oh, I love you, my baby. I love you.
Dad, can I call her mommy?
It's her choice.
Hi. See, nothing go sweet me pass if you call me mommy. I dey promise you, I could love you. Anything wey mama they do for pikin, I could do for you. Oh? And I go make sure say you no lack motherly love at all.
I love you, mommy.
Oh, I love you. Mama, I love you.
I love you, Daddy.
Now, table manners. Don't talk while eating. Good.
I still no believe this thing. I no believe say my life go change like this. I no believe say God go give me better man like you. Hi! But that one no even be the main thing. So as I dey now, Docas say I go enter my first plane. And this my first plane now, no be even say I dey go Lagos. I dey go abroad. Dubai. Hey, Dubai. Yeah. You don't tell where I dey hear of him. Hey, I don't believe him.
You love it.
Hey, the thing they sweet me. God, I thank you. I thank you.
You deserve every good thing, my love. You deserve every good thing.
Thank you. So like this now, I don't become person wife. Jesus. But you get one small thing, anything, where I know just too like am for inside it. The money too much. The money where you spend too much. And I know say na make you no even tell me, fiam, you don't run, go buy tickets.
Am I complaining? I'm not complaining, my wife. I'm not complaining, okay?
It's too much now.
You deserve every good thing.
Okay, so like this now, for 1 month, we go just day for inside room, we go chop, wake up, they burn money.
Sure.
Hi, it's too much. 1 month, okay.
Nothing is too much to spend on you.
I know.
A good day.
I know. Oh yeah, wait. What if we cut this journey into 2? Maybe we save money now. Just make am 9 days. 9 days, they're okay for us to jolly. If we jolly finish for 9 days, then we come back here and, you know, start enjoying our life inside our house.
Okay, first of all, I'm not complaining. Secondly, it's okay. Let's make it 2 weeks.
Okay.
Are you okay with it?
2 weeks, no bad.
So you enjoy well. When you come back, you'll be smelling Dubai.
Hell, this one sweet to me. This one sweet to me. You dey hear wetin your papa dey talk, oh? Eh? So we go to buy.
Yes.
Yeah! See as you talk you don't tell where you dey go. But now you and your new mama go follow go. You happy? My baby, don't worry, we go enjoy ourselves. Yeah? Che, thank you very much.
Your mind, okay?
Thank you very much.
So,